Okay, welcome to the playlist of management and entrepreneurship. Now let's move on to the module two in our subject. The subject code is 21AA61. The subject title is management and entrepreneurship. The module two, in the module one, we already discussed about definition of management, scope of management, nature and characteristics of management, and then different types of uh, plans, and then decision making. These are all the topics we have covered in the module one. In the module two, let's we discuss about organizing and staffing, directing and controlling. Side A is nothing but organizing and staff. Side B is nothing but directing and controlling. Okay, let's we dive into the syllabus first. In the organizing and staffing, we are going to discuss about meaning, nature, and characteristics of organization, process of organization, principles of organization, departmentalization, committees, meaning of committee, types of committees, centralization versus decentralization of authority and responsibility, span of control, nature and importance of staffing, process of selection and recruitment, directing and controlling, meaning and nature of directing, leadership styles, motivation theories, communication, meaning and importance, coordination, meaning and importance of coordination, techniques of coordination, controlling, meaning of controlling, steps in controlling. These are all the topics we are going to discuss in the future slides. Okay, now let's understand what is the difference between organizing and organization. Okay, the process of pursuing goals and plans of the organization or enterprise is nothing but organizing. Okay, here we are going to uh, here manager will going to define what works needs to be done and create a structure to complete the task efficiently and effectively. Organizing is arranging and structuring work to accomplish organization goals. Of course, organizing is nothing but what pursuing goals and plans of the organization or enterprise. Here, our manager will going to define what work need to be done, and you're going to you will going to give the facilitate or create a structure to accomplish those goals efficiently and effectively. And then organizing is arranging and structuring work to accomplish organizational goals. This is nothing but organizing. Now let's discuss about what you mean by organization. Okay, here organization is a social unit or group of humans. Okay, okay, of course in the office we are going to meet many types of peoples. Okay, made for the purpose of attaining specific goals. Of course, every organization should have some objectives, goals, vision. So here our group of humans will going to solve the problems or attain those objectives. The purpose of any organization is to achieve the goal for which it is formed. It is aimed at achieving its objective through the effort of its group members. Of course, here our group members will going to put their effort to in order to achieve the goals. Okay, and then nature of organization. An organization basically consists of group of people who form the dynamic human element of the organization. Of course, here a group of people were required for organization. Organization helps in identifying the various tasks to be performed, which are assigned to the individuals to perform to achieve the common objectives or common purpose of the organization. It ensures to achieve coordination amongst the people working in various departments of the organization and ensures integrated efforts to achieve organizational objectives or goals. It delegates authorities to the managers with commensurate responsibility and accountability for the discharge of their duties and also among these different hierarchical levels in an organization. It also aids in achieving financial, physical, material, and human resources. Organizations are part of the larger environment and hence they are influenced by the external environment. Organization helps in the realization of the plans made by the managers. It helps in nurturing and growing skills and talents by the virtue of division of labor. It facilitates seamless communication. Of course, nature and characteristics of organization. What here organization is nothing but about group of people. Here organization helps identifying in various tasks. Of course, here in the organization there are multiple departments are there. For example, you can take any corporate companies. There are software developers, software testers, and then HR. There are multiple types of departments are available, to achieve the goals. Okay, and then to ensure it ensures to achieve coordination. Of course, in the among the workers, there is coordination should be there. Otherwise, if you want to end with a bad experience, so that's why the coordination is very very important, and it delegates authority to the managers with the commensurate responsibility and accountability for the discharge of their duties, and also among these different hierarchical levels in an organization. Of course, we should respect each other. We should respect manager thoughts and all. So we should be very accountable for our work. It also helps in achieving financial, physical, material, and human resources. Of course, in the organization is going to give for salaries that are going to achieve financial, physical, material. Of course, we are going to purchase many materials, and then human resource will be there in the organization in order to develop a better relationship with them among the colleagues and all. Organizations are part of the larger environment, and hence they are influenced by the external environment. Of course, here our organization is going to always look into the other environment, outside the environment or outside the organization, other organization. If any good things are available at the other organization or other we can implement those good ideas in our organization. Organization helps in the realization of the plans made by the manager. Of course, here our manager will going to make some plans. Our workers will going to implement those or realize those train into the reality. It helps to nurturing and growing special skills. Of course, organization will going to provide some facilitate in order to develop the skills of the employees. It facilitates seamless communication. The communication should be there among the colleagues. Okay, and then the process and purposes of the organization may be listed as under division of work to be done into specific jobs and departments, departmentalization, the allocation of resources, assigning the task and responsibilities associated with individual jobs, establishment of relationship among the individuals, groups, and departments. Of course, the first process is identification and division of work, departmentalization, okay, and then assignment of task, individual task our manager will going to assign, establishment of organizational hierarchy, provision of resources to the members, coordination between the members. Okay, this is the process and purpose of the organization. Okay, and then principles of the organization: objective, specialization, span of control, exception, scalar principle, unity of command, delegation, responsibility, authority, efficiency, simplicity, and then simplicity, flexibility, balance, unity of direction, personal ability. Principles of organization and types of organization, let's we discuss in the future classes. Okay, thank you so much.